Good morning and welcome to your practice. This is a short and sweet but well-rounded full body practice to start your day right. You don't need any props, so when you're ready, start in a comfortable seated position. Ground down into your seat and lift up tall through your spine. Option to close your eyes. Take a few moments to settle into your practice as you draw your awareness inward. Start to become aware of your breath and notice its natural rhythm. Inhale for a count of 2, 3, 4. Hold for a count of 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Restore your natural breath. Take full deep inhales and full deep exhales. Slowly refocus your gaze. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Interlace your fingers and flip your palms to face up. Exhale, round your back body and reach your hands forward. Inhale, reach up and arch your spine back. Exhale, reach forward and round. Inhale, reach up and arch back. Exhale, round and reach forward. Inhale, reach up and arch back. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, return back through center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, side bend right. Inhale, rise. Exhale, side bend left. Do this one more time on each side. Follow your own breath. On your next inhale, rise back up and release your hands. Rest your right hand behind you and place your left hand on your right knee. Turn your torso to the right. Inhale, rise up and reach your arms up high. Exhale, release your left hand behind you and your right hand to your left knee. Twist your torso to the left. Unwind your twist. Cross your ankles and roll forward onto all fours. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Turn your right fingers out slightly and then your left fingers out slightly. Then turn your fingers to point to the sides of your mat and continue to walk your hands around to point your fingers towards your knees. Reverse back out the way you came in and continue to incrementally turn your hands in a circular direction, as if your hands were spinning on a clock face. The next time your fingers point to the sides of your mat, stay there. And gently rock your torso from side to side. Option to stay here, or point your fingers towards your knees and rock your torso forward and back. turn your fingers to point back forward and reach your right leg behind you. Lift it to the height of your hip and kick back strongly. Rise to your left fingertips and reach your left hand forward in front of you. Inhale as you kick back and reach forward with equal and opposite energy. Exhale, bend your knee and reach your fingers back to tap your foot. Inhale, reach back out long. Exhale, bend and tap. Inhale, reach and extend. Exhale, bend and tap. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend and catch a hold of your foot. Actively kick your foot into your hand and pull back against your foot with your hand to expand your chest forward. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release your hand and knee back down to the floor. Reach your left leg back in line with your hip and rise to your right fingertips. Reach your right arm forward. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bend your knee and tap your foot with your hand. Inhale, reach back out long. Exhale, bend and tap. Inhale, reach and expand. Exhale, bend and tap. Inhale, reach. Exhale, catch hold of your foot this time and actively kick back as you pull forward. Reach your heart toward the top of your mat. Inhale deeply. Exhale, slowly unwind and release your hand and knee to the floor. Keep your hips stacked over your knees and walk your hands forward toward the top of your mat. Melt the weight of your chest toward the floor and release your chin or forehead down. Soften the space around your heart. Inhale, slide your torso forward and release your upper body down to the floor. Plant your hands under your shoulders. Press down into the tops of your feet. Inhale, roll your shoulders back and lift your chest. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, roll your shoulders back and squeeze them together as you lift your upper body. Exhale, release back down. Inhale, root against your pelvis and lift your chest. Exhale, lower to the mat and tuck your toes. Press the floor away to lift your whole body and send your hips up toward the sky into an inverted V shape, your downward facing dog. Walk your feet in about one step to shorten your stance, and take your left hand to catch your right thigh, shin, or ankle as you turn your torso open to the right. Inhale deeply. Exhale, unwind your twist and switch to the opposite side. Take your right hand to your left thigh, shin, or ankle and turn your torso to the left. Inhale deeply. Exhale, unwind and step your feet back. Return to your neutral down dog. Inhale, roll your weight forward to stack your shoulders over your wrists. Exhale, bend your knees to hover above the floor, tilt your tailbone up and stretch back into your down dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, bend your knees and send your hips high. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, lift your hips into down dog. Inhale, look forward and step your right foot outside of your right hand. Lean your weight forward, toward the right, behind you, and toward the left. Circle your whole body in a clockwise direction. On your next breath, reverse your circles and move the opposite way. Come back through center and soften your back knee to the floor. Roll to the pinky side of your right foot and open your knee out wide. Turn toward the right and gently press your right hand against your thigh. Option to bend your back knee and reach back to catch your foot and hug your heel toward your seat. Sink your hips low. If you're holding your back leg, slowly release and unwind your twist. Tuck your back toes and step up and back into down dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank, option to lower your knees. Exhale, lean forward, bend your elbows, and lower roughly halfway to the floor. Inhale, flip your toes, straighten your arms, and broaden your chest. Exhale, lift your hips and flip your toes back into down dog. Inhale, look forward, and step your left foot outside of your left hand. Begin to make circles with your whole body, rolling toward the left. On your next breath, reverse directions with your circles. Lower your back knee to the floor and roll to the pinky side of your left foot. Open your knee out wide and twist toward the left. Gently press your left hand against your thigh. Option to bend your back knee and catch your foot to hug your heel in toward your seat. Shift your weight forward and sink your hips downward. If you're holding your back foot, slowly release it and unwind your twist. Tuck your toes, lift your knee, and step back into down dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank, option to lower your knees. Exhale, shift forward, bend your elbows, and lower halfway to the mat. Inhale, flip your toes, straighten your arms, and reach your chest forward. Exhale, lift your hips and flip your toes to return to down dog. Inhale, look forward, and tiptoe to walk your feet to the top of your mat. Exhale, fold forward over your legs, option to bend your knees. Inhale, lift your torso about halfway up. You can rest your hands on your thighs, shins, or the floor. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, melt forward and down. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. This time, inhale, bend your knees and sink your hips low. Lift your arms high. Exhale, draw your palms to meet at your heart. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your torso to the right. Inhale, find length. Exhale, rotate into your twist. Option to hook your left elbow over your thigh and press your arm and leg against each other. Inhale, unwind and come back through center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen your back. Exhale, rotate deeper into your twist. Option to hook your right elbow over your left thigh and apply gentle pressure in both directions. Inhale, unwind your twist. Exhale, sit deeper into your seat. Inhale, lengthen your back. Exhale, release your seat to the floor. Reach your arms forward and lean back slightly to float your feet away from the mat. Draw your shins roughly parallel to the floor. Inhale deeply. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest and curl into a little ball. And slowly roll down onto your back. Gently rock your hips from side to side. Release your feet to the floor and open your arms out wide into a T shape or a cactus shape. Cross your right leg over your left, option to double wrap your foot behind your calf. Inhale, draw your knees towards your chest. Exhale, release them over to the left side of your mat. Option to look over your right shoulder. Soften both shoulders down toward the floor. Slowly unwind your twist and come back through center. Switch the cross of your legs. Inhale, draw your knees towards your chest. Exhale, release them over toward the right side of your mat. Option to gaze over your left shoulder. Inhale, come back through center and uncross your legs. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Exhale, release your legs out long toward the bottom of your mat and soften your arms by your sides. Option to close your eyes as you soften and surrender down into your final resting pose, Shavasana. Allow everything to soften and release. Feel free to stay here for as long as you'd like. When you feel ready to move on with your day, reawaken your body slowly and mindfully, and give thanks for your practice. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe.